All right, here we come to the elevator at Dillard's at Townies Mall in Mesquite, Texas. And oh my gosh, look what we got. I've never seen this version of armor fixtures. This is a first for me. I remember seeing a button like this on a video in a hospital in Pittsburgh until Hatfield modernized them. Wow, this is beautiful. And it's a Dover too. Nice. Oh, well, okay.
Yeah, that way you can get your rides.
I didn't know you can do that.
You can.
I totally forgot about that. Wow, I absolutely love that motor. I am speechless to say, oh my gosh, this elevator is...
I'm gonna get off at 1.
I didn't know you can do that trick where you have to open the door.
Yeah, just be a little bit careful. Someone might be waiting for it.
Of course, but man, I'm so glad we saw this.
Yeah, you can take your rides if you want.
All right, here we go. Epic. This thing runs flawlessly.
I know, right?
I want to get a full detailed view of this as well as the fixtures. And there's Hanny.
Hello.
Okay, I gotta get a full detailed view of this. Wow, this is something. I don't know what this does. I think those are the inching control buttons. I don't know. But anyway, see, look at this button. These are the Halo version. I think these are some type of Halo, black Halo version of white armor circle buttons, but I'm not too sure. But these definitely do look like armor. This is actually my very first kind of circle armor fixture I've ever written my whole life. Oh my gosh. Is there a phone up there? No, I don't think. They used to have a phone box right there, but they sealed that off. Oh, there's the ADA compliant phone. I totally forgot about that. All right, I think we're gonna take for one more ride in. This is something that Julian did on a manually controlled elevator, and I think I'm gonna do the same thing. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna pretend like I'm actually running the elevator manually, but it's actually automatic. So I'm gonna let you listen to the motor, and here we go. What's even better is that it's not busy. All right, let's go back down to 1. Here we go. Splendid. This is a splendid piece of beauty. My gosh.
It's one of my favorite store elevators in Texas.
I'm so glad you brought me here. This is my very first kind of circle armor fixture I've ever seen in my whole life. I've seen a big square version, but this is a kind.
Nice.
All right, well, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.